G'day guys, Calvin from the Cartoon Company down under in New Zealand. Quick tech tip for the day. This engine, put it together, put a new sump plug washer on it, and it left a puddle on my floor just to annoy me. So I can make this video and show you a quick trick to change it without dropping your oil. Block the breather. Cold start, inject the timer in the PCV hose. Hose into the tappet cover, into the oil filler. It happens to be connected to a vacuum cleaner. Sump plug washer changed and not a drop of oil spilt. Hope that's helpful. Talk to you again soon.